is Anna. I am 12 years old. I live in a big house with my family. The house is very old. It has many rooms and a large attic. I do not like the attic. It is dark and dusty. One Saturday morning, I feel brave. My mother asks for help. She wants to clean the attic. I say yes. We go up the old wooden stairs. The stairs make a creaking sound. I feel a little scared. We open the attic door. Sunlight comes through a small window. I see many old boxes and furniture. There are big spider webs everywhere. My mother starts to clean. I look inside an old, brown box. The box is full of clothes and books. I move the clothes slowly. At the bottom, I see something. It is a letter. The paper is old and yellow. The letter is in a white envelope. There is no name on the envelope. I open the envelope carefully. Inside, there is a letter and a photograph. The photograph is of a young girl. She has long, dark hair and a big smile. She looks about my age. She is wearing a pretty dress. I start to read the letter. The handwriting is difficult to read. But I read it slowly. Dear friend, the letter begins. My name is Lily. I am 10 years old. I live in this house. I am very lonely. I have no brothers or sisters. I have no friends in this neighborhood. I write this letter and hide it. I hope someone finds it one day. If you find this letter, please write back. Your friend, Lily. I am shocked. Lily lived in my house, a long time ago. She was lonely, just like me sometimes. I look at the photograph again. I feel a connection to this girl. I want to write back to her. But Lily is not here anymore. She is probably an old woman now. I do not know where she lives. I feel sad. I put the letter and photo in my pocket. I do not tell my mother about it. That night, I cannot sleep. I think about Lily. I think about her loneliness. I decide to write a letter back, even if she never reads it. The next day, I take a piece of paper. I write, Dear Lily, my name is Anna. I am 12 years old. I live in your old house now. I found your letter in the attic. I understand how you feel. I am lonely sometimes too. I wish you were my friend. I keep your photograph. I hope you are happy now. Your friend, Anna. I fold the letter carefully. I go back to the attic. I put my new letter inside the old box. I hide it under the old clothes. It feels like a secret. It makes me feel better. Weeks pass. I think about the letter sometimes. One day, I go to the attic again. I want to check on the letter. I open the old, brown box. I move the clothes. My letter is still there. But something is different. There is another letter on top of mine. It is a new, white envelope. My hands shake as I pick it up. I open it quickly. Inside, there is a photograph. It is a photograph of an old woman. She has white hair and kind eyes. She is smiling. In her hands, she holds a photograph. It is the photograph of the young girl. It is the same girl from the first picture. I look at the back of the new photo. There is writing on it. It says, "Dear Anna, thank you for your letter. You are not alone. I am your friend. Love, Lily." Tears come to my eyes. Lily is alive. And she wrote back to me. I feel so happy. I am not lonely anymore. I have a friend. A friend from the past. I keep both photographs in my room. I look at them every day. I wonder about Lily's life. I wonder how she found my letter. Maybe she came back to the house. Maybe someone brought it to her. I do not know. But it does not matter. I decide to write one more letter. I put it in the same box. I tell Lily about my day. I tell her about school. I tell her about my dreams. Writing to her makes me feel good. A few days later, I find another letter. And so, our secret friendship grows. We are pen pals from different times. I never meet Lily in person. But I know her heart. And she knows mine. One day, I write to her. "Thank you, Lily, for being my friend. You taught me I am not alone." A week later, her last letter arrives. It simply says, "And you, Anna, taught me the same." Now, I am older. I still live in the same house. Sometimes, I go to the attic. I open the old, brown box. I read the letters from my friend, Lily. And I smile. Because I know, true friendship never ends. The end. Goodbye.